All right, what's going on, guys? We are back again. Another stream. Oh, can hear myself. There's a slight delay, huh? Yeah, like literally split second delay. The setting. Okay, that looks alright. What's going on? See 3 people in the stream already. Let's make sure the game is working. Man. Okay, so we are continuing on. Oh, look at that. First time. First time. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so here's where I'm at, right? So I built the CSS. It does this thing. Right. That's the next thing, and now is to build. Try to make the game work, man. That's where I'm at. Okay, let's get rid of that. Don't need that. I mean, I shouldn't break this, right? Okay, don't think we actually need the set timeout. Okay. That can go away. This can go away for now. Yeah, so the problem with this approach is... yeah, it's not very good. This looks terrifying. It was so bad, cop. Yeah, it does. Oh, man. Yeah, I don't know. I can't have all of them pop up at the same time. So I'm gonna have to do something else. How you been, man? How's your day going? How's your week going? Okay. I mean, we got Mole's item, right? I believe that's sort of like an array. They're staring into your soul. Oh, crap. That's not what I want. Mole's item. What is that? Okay. There you go. Okay, so we have a node list of 6 of them. Why is this one in a load? Got 6 of them and the 6 starting to feel sick. Hope it's not COVID. Oh man, I hope it's not COVID. That would suck. I mean, I'm sure you're in the demographic that's not gonna be as affected by it, but just the off chance that you do get one of those weird symptoms that where you can't taste food, when you can't smell, and yeah, that would suck, man. Hope it's not. Hope it is not it. What's up, Bo? Why do you have 6 packs of chocolate cereal? Because we're playing hide and seek with the mole. Oh, it's funny. Oh, okay. I mean, I got this working, but I don't know. Now, like, I'm gonna have to restart and think through this again. Oh, that's pretty nice. Do you know the funny thing is though? Like, it's just such a hack job because I didn't know how to. I didn't know how to make this thing go up and down, so I kind of hacked the system. So what I did, you'll see it when I remove the border. um, right, background, right. So if I remove, you'll see exactly what I did, right? Yeah, you see. So I added a background to this. So basically, it's actually right behind this is hidden, and it just like translates in the y direction up and down. That's all it does. That's the only way I knew how to like make that work. So as long as nobody looks at the code and changes the backgrounds, it works. That's not hacky. That's smart. Okay. I spent so long trying to figure it out, and I was like, yeah, that's the only thing I can think of. um, it looks as janky as my nostalgic childhood memories. Oh man. Okay, this one's gonna be fun. Okay. All right. So we have an animation that's added by this Mo animation thing. The name is Pop Out. And the code basically all it does right now, it adds this class and it removes it. That's all it does, and then it goes in a loop. Well, it doesn't go in a loop, it just does it once. So on click, go through each of these six, and yeah, if it doesn't contain it, or rather, wait, is that the other way around? Why does that work? Oh. So this right here is actually not doing anything. Oh no, it was doing something. What? I don't know what I wrote down. Now I'm confused. Why does that work? Does it actually go in here? Console log the if state. Wait. It doesn't start with this. I've only got mole image. And it's looking for... Well, if it doesn't contain that... Obviously in this case it does, so it toggles it. And then it says a random duration. Hey, what's up, bud? How you doing? I didn't stream yesterday and it feels like it's been forever. Why's my headphones been weird? Multi-up should be fine. Perfect, you're a code guru, right? He is a code guru. What is going on? Why does this work? It works, but I don't know why it works. Okay, Mouse is a node list of 6 images. It works, but I don't know why. Congratulations, software engineer. Oh man, it's gonna be fun. What? I have no idea why this works. So we got an event listener on the start button. On click, it runs this function. Also, I don't. Yeah, also I gave it this thing because I wanted to So WebRTC, you're an expert, right? What is WebRTC? Hey, look at that. An open framework that enables real-time communication capabilities with the browser. Interesting. Very cool. Okay, so I put pop-up in there because I wanted it to call itself after it runs through. It's not defined. Of course, it's not defined because it's in here. Is there a must nav? Oh, also, why is it plus equals 1? So it's meant to be plus plus 1. Okay, I broke it, guys. I broke it. Oh, also, I don't know what this. Actually, that's the same thing. Right when I get into bed, hey, what's up, man? How's it going? Hey, I still have no updates on the shipping, by the way. I was checking it out. I'm so excited for the stickers, man. Can't wait. It's $250 worth of stickers. I'm checking my email now. Nope, nothing. How you been? I haven't spoken to you guys in, well, to you at least in 3 days. All right. Oh, you don't have his stickers? Oh man, so it could be anything. Damn, it's like what's the thing? The Christmas Santa gift. It's a surprise. Okay, let's read through this, right? Okay, let's refresh. It's all right. There you go. So the images start off as a yeah. So they were the class mo image, and then we got the dot 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 mo dot dot dot. Okay, so the mo, and then we got an event listener on this button that says go through the mo's the length, right? Which we know is that. Also, I'll go check volumes of those things, side pay high. It's gonna be a while. Wait, did you actually pay them? I don't know why I typed Nikes. That's funny, man. It's beautiful, but it's with a V. Like beautiful. Was made of whack-a-mole. We could go. Nice, man. Nice, nice. Yeah, it's been fun. Right now, I managed to make it work, but I don't know why it works. So that's where I'm at right now. And your implementation is probably much nicer than mine. Um, but yeah, I'm actually going through the JavaScript 30 days thing, and I think this is the last one, but it just look like the most fun, so I just went with it. What was it called? JavaScript 30. Yeah, this one. No, mine has a lot of boilerplate view stuff. Okay. I don't even know what Vue is. I think it's like Vue.js. I've heard about it. Yeah, so I looked through all of that, and this looked like the most fun one. And it was right, day number 30, but we're skipping ahead. But yeah, this is all it does right now. It just peaks up and down. All six of them at the same time, which is not what I want. All right. See if we can get this working. Um, let's see what this code is doing. Console log, click. Okay. But we've already got the if state, which apparently it's not doing. Else, all right, let's see. So we got the click, and it's doing the else statement over and over and over and over and over again. So that means we don't actually need. See, now it breaks. What the heck? It does 6 times 1 for each mole. Oh, it is doing it 1 for each mole, huh? But I'm just curious. So it never actually goes to the if state, which is what I don't understand. So, right. So if yeah. So if the Colossus does not contain mole animation, which it doesn't, because I don't have it. I don't have the hard coded. It's just mole image. Because I was thinking of this gonna add and remove, but that didn't quite work. Right. Also, maybe my contain thing is all wrong. Okay. Okay, that's doing more what I thought the code was doing now. Okay, cool. That if condition apparently is always false. Not contain, so you have before. Ah, okay. Gotcha. Okay, that makes sense. But I think what we did just now, I just switched them around. So it does the same thing now, huh? Currently you are doing not a string. Okay. Alright, let's try that. So add. So I need to go all the way here. Okay. Oh, sorry. Wrong line, my bad. Right here. Right up top. Okay, there we go. Alright, that makes sense now. The end if condition. Right, yeah. Only if in condition if in here. Right. Okay, so we now have a mode that comes up and down. They all come at the same time. I guess that's fine, right? So this thing here, math.random and seconds, was meant to add um, like different time delays to it. So maybe if I just increase um, times it by like 3 or something, so this should be a wider range. Yeah, okay, that's too slow. See that one peeking up and down? Or like half a second. Okay, do that. Half a second. What's that? An open 5? Wait, I thought we were avoiding whoa, it's way too fast. So times about 1 is what you're saying? I mean, 1 would be the same. Let's go with 2. Hey, what's up, Marble? Welcome back. Well, half a second longer would be 1, right? Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Cool. Now I just need this to loop like 10 times or something. 1, 2, maybe, yeah, maybe 11 times. 86.3, that's the highest I've gotten, I think. Um, okay. I want to break this thing out outside. All right, let's get rid of that. Function pop out equals. Okay. And on click, run this one. That should work, right? Why is it giving me? What do you need to loop for? I wanted to basically do it for like 10 seconds. Because right now I have to click start. Well, I've broken it now. What did I do wrong? Oh, okay, okay. Just pop out. Right, okay. Nope, still doesn't work. It's going through it just fine. Nope. So it does it on load. I don't think I've added to the button, have I? Okay, container. Oh, without it? Interesting. Huh, I didn't know that. So, but instead of passing the callback, you pass the result of the callback. So the listener cannot call it. So you need to pass the function. I passed the result of a callback. Interesting. Okay. Okay. Set interval. I'm guessing directly in here, right? Set. Same word. set for an arrow function, that runs code. So 10,000. Set interval math log, right, okay. Oh, I don't know why there's a times there. Okay. Yep, I broke it. Set for. Oh wait, it is doing it. It's waiting like 10 seconds before it does it, looks like. Or something weird. Oh my god. This is a Bo's nightmare. Oh, not Bo. Bad Cop's nightmare. Send the vision. I didn't want to be caught once. Okay. Yeah, I need to look into what that actually does. Yep, that's your nightmare right there, but JavaScript timing events. There we go. The window object allows execution as specified time intervals. Timing events. Wait, W3 scores, is that good or bad? Function milliseconds. Okay. Function. Well, the function. Okay. Set timeout. The first parameter is a function to be executed, and the second indicates the number of milliseconds before execute. Okay, so wait. That's a wait thing. I don't know, like more better than these days. All right. Set interval callback milliseconds. What it does is the following: while true, wait. While true, wait milliseconds callback. Okay. So if that's the case, we don't need it to. And it looks like because it's calling back so fast, it's actually resetting the animation maybe. 10 milliseconds is way too short. Maybe every second. There you go. It looks a bit predictable, no? It's meant to be random. Actually, no, it's fine. But it won't ever stop. It never stops. It's just going in a loop. Until you call clone for right. Yeah, it just. So can I call a clone for here after? But how? Hang on. Okay, timer 1000. My timer to use new date. The 1000 minutes. How to stop the execution? Clear interval method stops execution of clear interval my var. Okay. Okay, this is a button that clicks it, so I need it to be automatic. Set interval runs over and over until you call. Set timer runs exactly once. You almost never want to use. Okay. You have to store the ID of the interval first in order to clear it. Example, my count interval equals set interval, clear interval, interval. Okay, interesting. JavaScript cookies. Where did that come from? So on click. I think what we want this game is for each mode to repeatedly pick random times within a range for popping out. Kind of like a mind of its own. Yeah, because right now it's very predictable, right? Well, oh my god, what happened? It's still pretty hard. Oh. Given each mole a mind of its own. So we have an array of moles, right? Which is well, kind of an array, not really an array, but an array. So I'm looping through that with the I, and then it's adding to each one. It should be assigning a random number each time it goes through the loop, though, right? So in the item, in the 0th position, first position, second position, isn't that what it's doing? I feel like the random isn't random enough. Let's go. Okay. Oh, I also need to stop. You see, like if I click on it multiple times, look at that. It has like 7. I think it runs through this 7 times or something. If I click 7 times, so I need to add some kind of stop. So it only well, first I need a way for this to stop popping out after, I don't know, like 10 seconds, and then somehow like disable the second start click until the until the 10 seconds is done, right? Because right now it's just all chaos. It's complete chaos right now. And yeah, I got no idea. Let's see. Popping out after 10 seconds. I mean, I could do like, I don't know, put this through another loop, like a while loop or something. While a number is less than 10, go through it, and then like some kind of counter, and once it reaches 10, exit out and run the stop. What was it called? Yeah, the closing one. What am I trying to do? Do you know what? I think the animation is fine. I'm trying to do these two things here. Need for it to stop popping out after 10 seconds. So set timeout. It just goes in an infinite loop. It waits right now. It waits 1 second, and it just continues the loop. If you create a line 27, like game interval, then you can do on the line 32 game interval set interval. Then on the first line in popper, you can check game interval as a number. So return an ID. Um, just disable the button on click and re-enable it after 10 seconds. Right. Okay. Yeah, that'd be the second thing. I don't know how to do that. But the first one, beautiful. That name still cracks me up, man. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Okay. Let's see. On 27, create a let. Just gonna try out let game interval. All right. And then on 32, I think it's saying an if statement, if game interval, are we doing equals? Okay, yeah. So if game interval return. Is that what we're doing? Wait, let's do 3 first line. Do line 32 game interval equals 7 first line. Oh, okay. Go back in again. I need to do the game interval stuff, right? Game interval equals something. Right. Returns is such the. Is that what I'm doing? Oh man, what is going on? Six. Well, it's not easy to understand what random touch guide wants. Oh, yeah. It's still going on a loop. It's doing the same thing, right? Basically, the idea is like when I click start, I want these things to pop out for 10 seconds. So the game lasts 10 seconds, right? And it's however many I can click in the 10 seconds. So the only thing I can think of is like a while loop. And within the while loop will be this thing. Let's see. Yeah, that's it. 10 seconds and then stop. Maybe like, well, if you copy the code and send it on Pastebin, I can show you what I mean here, but only this thing. I want you to do it. Okay. All right. Okay. I don't know how I'm sending to you the Pastebin. All right. Do you want to hang out on Discord? I've got Discord. Probably easier there. Something. Okay. It's missing. I'm down with MCP. What's up, man? Thanks for the follow. Alright, here we go. We go over Discord. Let's go to JavaScript. Alright, I'm gonna paste that in there. That's what I got so far. Okay, let's reset. Start button equals da 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 da. Okay, let's say a random number. What number is greater than 0? Greater than 1? Let's say, right? Do this. And then num minus minus, go down by 1. And then give, let's say, the num equals, I don't know, 10. I actually want to try if this actually works. Console.log num. Same thing here as well. Alright, let's see. Okay, well that doesn't work at all, so we completely broke it. What's going on? I won't even open up the tools, man. I think it's running into some kind of infinite loop or something, because it's not responsive at all. Yeah, look at that. I broke my computer. There we go. Okay. Probably shouldn't have closed that. Without straight up writing a timer abstraction is probably something like this. Okay. I want to load it, but I'm not going to check it just yet, because that might just give me the answer straight up, right? I'm just going to play with it, see what it does. Oh, I'm looking at the code, man. Okay. I'm not looking, I'm just looking for the run button. Run for the 150 No, it's not a near full solution. Okay. Interval return. Set interval, repeat this, that. Zoom in. I send you guys in Discord. Okay, I'll check that out too. 2 seconds. Don't know if it works there. We can test that out. Alright, interval reference number equals set. Okay, this is similar to what View was talking about, right? Set it to something. Set timeout. Just, Okay, clear interval. Oh, that's what clear interval does. Okay, function, repeat this. Okay, just all right. Let's see. Oh wow, is that the solution already? Who's that? That's you solve. Well, I mean, should I look at the answer or like? I mean, okay, whatever. Let's do it. Function pop out. Console log click. Yeah, see if it works. All right. Okay. Oh, I did. Oh, really? Well, typos are gonna be like the end of me, dude. They sound like little things. All right. The game is already running. Is the ID of the centerfold? That's the console log. Okay. Run clear interval undefined to stop it. So it's not working. I'm pressing on it again and again. That's why it's showing up multiple times. Okay. Huh. For yeah, I clicked again here. 4 is an ID apparently. So if I click again. Man, I got no idea what you putting up here. Alright, so if game interval. So we've got a game interval thing. If game interval console log console log return. This means do nothing, just return out of the current function. But else So at what point does it know that game interval is there to stop? It will stop MCP. Okay, okay. Oh wow, okay. Ah, okay, that's the problem we're solving. Gotcha. Cool. Okay, okay. Alright, so second one's done. Amazing. Okay. I thought we were solving the other one for some reason. Okay. Makes sense. Well, actually I can comment that out. All right. So the first thing MCP is I need to figure out how to make it stop doing this action after about 10 seconds. So I think um, Bo's given us some hints. Should be able to use this, figure something out. So const interval reference number. Set interval. Repeat this. Okay. Glidable JavaScript. Display the current time, so we'll execute a time function 1 second to stop the time. Okay, so the question is though, so it says until it is stopped by this, right? So what's going to trigger that? I don't want that to be a manual thing. See what I mean? Using set interval and clear interval to create a dynamic progress bar. Clear interval stops a timer. Using the timer ID which is returned from the set interval call. Yeah, so the ID value returned by set interval is just parameter for the clear interval method. Okay. So I mean, okay, so game interval is the one, right? But what's the function pop out? And then I just go clear interval, game interval. What I'm not sure is where I would do that. Clear interval, game interval. So I can stop here by calling that. Okay, let's see. Okay. So if I go into the console and call it here, it should stop, right? Okay, that stops it. Cool. Okay, that makes sense. But I want to be able to automate that after a set amount of time. How can we do that? Set timeout. Maybe another. Can I do two different event listeners? Something. We need to game the 7 level. Set timeout. Right. Do I already have a set timeout? Let's see. Okay, set interval. All right. Right. Yeah, 10 seconds makes sense. I'm just reading through a view saying so when you do game interval equals set interval, the game interval will become, for example, 5. You can use the cl interval 5 to stop it, the cl interval game interval in your example. Right. So this here does stop it. So if I wrap this entire thing in a timeout, um, bad cop knows the future. Oh, you're talking about the WCP something? Timeout. Yeah, so set timeout right here, right? Set timeout. Because he mentioned set timeout more than half an hour ago. Yeah, he did. He did. Oh wow. Yeah. See, it's okay. So what I'm not sure about though is where I'm gonna call set timeout, right? So if I do set timeout. Okay, so function. $10,000. Do I put it in here somewhere? Maybe. Stopped. Okay, so that worked, but we now have a secondary problem. Okay, it looks like it runs for 6 seconds. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, cool. So what I want after 10 seconds is people want to play again, they can click on start again and do that, right? So right now, because we limited the button to be clicked, I mean, I want it to be limited only within 10 seconds. So let's see. Let's wait. Let's wait the whole 10 seconds. Five is the ID of set interval. Can I do that and then somehow reset the ID? Yeah, okay. Let's figure that out later. Let's what do I need now? I need an event listener on mole click. Most of that event listener. Same thing. Click. That runs a function. Does that make sense? It looks like each loop you are playing an animation for a random portion of a second. It's not a function. Yeah, because I wanted the modes to have different timings when they come out, different speeds. Okay, my thing isn't working here. Oh wow. Never mind, not a loop, but an if and else statement. Why is this not a function? Unquote type error. 58. Oh, I need to give it a name. Function. I don't know. Do I? Um. There you go. If either target node lowercase, what is that? You can't attach event listers before the DOM is available. Okay, that's not helpful. You can assign an ID to image like this. ID's image. Image.onClick. .onClick. Oh. I mean, is that the same thing as add event listener click? Um, okay, let's see. So what I would do is within the set interval, okay, so that should be 1 second, right? 1000 milliseconds a second. Whoa. Yeah. Then use a set timeout for 10 seconds, which is also here, to call the clear interval. Using the game interval right here. But the issue is that if you click the button within 10 seconds, I'm not sure. Looks like you'll check in. Perhaps in the clear interval, make sure you clear out the game interval. But Yeah, so it needs to clear it out after 10 seconds. You're saying somewhere here? Game interval equals 0 or something? Oh, yeah. It clears it each time, so it needs to clear after it. Yeah, still runs. Okay. This should be on line 88. Hey, what's up, Aurora? Welcome back. Line 59 doesn't work. Okay. Okay, alright. Okay, we'll come back to that. So let me should also clear the game interval. Wait, what? Within the set timeout call. Yeah, okay. This arrow function thingy still don't understand. So if I this is meant to be like a function that does something like this, right? Returns. I think does it return? Do I do go 0 somewhere here? Yeah, no idea. No idea what's going on. Okay. Oh, yep. Doesn't like the thing though. Does that even make sense? So I'm calling game interval and then making it 0. Oh, missing thingy after 89. Okay. Man, I have no idea how to do that. Let's see. function, any seconds. Okay, so that's what I was missing. Alright, so okay, so this is a function, right? And it has one of these things. And you're saying, so comma goes there, okay. Like that. Because the first parameter set it should be a function. Right, okay, function. Okay. Ah, nice. Okay, that works. So it restarts the game. Okay, cool, awesome, thanks. I still need to understand. I need to read through this code and understand what's going on. But today, man, just want to get this done and then go get some sleep. I haven't slept well in a couple of days. That's why I kind of didn't make it yesterday. But yeah, okay, let's finish this off. And then I will read the code again with a fresh mind tomorrow morning. See if that makes sense. Let's whack them over. What's up, Ghost? How's it going, man? It's been a few days. What's going on? Alright, so now with the help of everyone, we have a functioning Mo thing. So now we just need to make this thing work. And Aurora said that doesn't work because it's a group or something. But it is, right? It's like some kind of array. Or it's a node of a bunch of different ones. Yeah, 6 different things. So if any of those are clicked, that's what I need to do. They've been working far too much. Ah, me too, man. Me too. Yeah, I was working late last night. I literally had like 5 hours sleep in the last 2 days. My brain's dead. Yeah, if you just want to do it, loop through the moles and add a listener to each in the group. Right, or I could do. Wait, what do you want to loop to it? So why am I doing that? I could just go. I guess if I did, um, right. So the zeroth position would be that mole. What is this? Right. So when I loop through, it's going to do something like that. So loop through and add an event listener to each of those. Okay. Okay, I think I see what you mean. Hmm. Why not just manually set it? Like more one equals that. Right. Yeah, but why do you want me to create a loop and have that added instead of manually adding it? So if I create some kind of loop, I guess I could put it in the on on page load thing we did last time. So then when the page finishes loading, it will automatically do it. And then by the time that someone clicks on play game, it's already done. And then I think that's what you mean. I don't know. Let's try it. Because you're a coder and you have 6 modes. Okay. All right. Let's do that. Everything after 2 deserves a loop. Okay. Sounds good. Oh man, I need to go through the thing you mentioned about there's like multiple different calls. If you manually did it, then it wouldn't be extensible. Each time you want to change the amount of modes, you need to change code. Let's make this so okay. That is also a good point. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So I guess I'd go moles.length. I plus plus. I don't know if this also needs to be within a function or something, and then I call it on document load. I think it was. Hey, what's up, Jason? How's it going? Function operation mole. That's what we're gonna call it. Live through that, and then moles ith position dot add event listener. On click. Ooh, could I do this right here? On click. This one right here. What is that? Can we do this? Just make sure you don't call it. That's the one. I was doing the same thing for the what was that game? That was, dude. I can't think. My brain's so foggy today. What game was that? The first game we did, man. Rock paper scissors. I never actually went back and looked at what you said. Just make sure you don't call it many times. So weird with the. Well, I think we're just gonna call it. I can't remember. Was it on missing thingy after that? 65. What am I missing? Okay, I don't need that. Um, I think I'm missing. I don't know what I'm missing. Missing parentheses. So we got a closing for this one, right? Oh, for this one here. Okay. Event listener. Okay, yeah, yeah, that one. Boom. Closing braces, the curly ones. Curly braces, the curly ones. Yeah, okay. Unexpected end of input 105. What have I done now? So this normally means I'm missing like a closing something. Wait, I need one more. Okay, there we go. So I need to call that on document load, was it? Since you're having issues, let's the brackets, you might want to try this pattern. Essentially, you write what you want to do, name function, just pass in for each. Yeah, I need to practice the for each too. Okay, let's do that. So, yeah, that's another thing too. I stick to the basics. So, this is the second project, right? Is this second? This is the third project, and I keep doing the for loops. I'm sure there's ways we can do the map and filter and stuff like that. I'm really not making the use of those. Okay, let's do for each there. Um, um, so fruit in this case would just be the mole. Have you learned about event delegation? Nope, not at all. What is that? What is event delegation in JavaScript? JavaScript info. They're good. Using language built in my better. I think just more of a preference though. Okay. Yeah. No, I need to. I mean, I'm trying to learn right now, right? So I need to get more practice using the built-in stuff for sure. Event target. Instead of an assign click handler on each, we'll set up a catch handler on table element to use event target to get all the clicked element and highlight it. So table on click. So you're saying instead of looping, I just do something like model on click. I mean, try that, right? That didn't quite work earlier. Okay, gotcha. Yeah. Um. Yeah. I tried a variation of that earlier. Some reason it didn't work. Okay, what was I missing? Oh, it's because I didn't use the dot target. Okay. Uh, click red. Oh wow. Okay. Doesn't like the blues. I guess you only got, okay. So you've only got a thing for red. Huh? So blah 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 blah. This is just a thing. Okay. So you can make sure it's only care about red clicks. Okay. Whoa, what happened here? All right. Document the query selector dot wrapper. The wrapper being the main div. Add event listener click function. If e dot target dot matches dot red. Oh wow, look at that. Okay, let's get rid of that. Document the query selects the wrapper, which we already have in. Actually, we don't. I've got the individual ones, right? So all of the moles are in game first row, or they're in the game container one class. Okay. Okay, let's single. We do it. What did you say it was called? Man, I can't even see you. What did you say the thing was called? I gotta open it somewhere. Event delegation. Whatever. I'm just gonna call it that so I can refer to it later on. Um, document. Also, yeah, query selector and query selector all. Is it better to use this or to use get element by ID or get elements by class? Which one's better? Most CTLR also makes sense. Okay, I'm gonna make because I wanted to go through this code tomorrow with fresh eyes. But okay, common makes more sense, right? Most container using yeah, yeah, to get all of them instead of looping and adding event listeners to all. Right, that's what we're trying to avoid. So let mode container equals document dot query selector with game container one. That's the class of, right? That's what this is. Div. Do I have a closing div tag? I do not have a closing div tag. Look at that. Yeah. Don't use get element by ID class almost never. Okay. Why is that? I like query selector instead of the specific. Also, disclaimer: I'm not a JavaScript developer. Main language is Python. Okay, cool. That's something else I'm debating too, right? So this is the plan right now. This question also goes to Bert if you're still here. Okay, so this is the plan. So right now we finished the free code camp stuff like last week. Right. So right now going through the projects. Da, 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 da. So at the end we're gonna build that. So I was thinking I don't know if I should continue for the backend stuff. Python. Should I learn Python next? I know it's too early right now, but like debating between Ruby on Rails or Python. Don't forget your period. Game by ID is also fine. Okay. So it's just a preference thing then. Query selector. Oh, actually, mostctr dot query selector. No. Add event listener. On click run a function. If e dot target dot, okay, what is target dot matches? Target dot matches the mole image class. Right. Score plus plus. Yeah, that should work. C sharp, really? Those other methods used to be used before query selector courses, so gained popularity in no small part thanks to the jQuery. But for standardization, I use the query ones. Okay. If you're going to be easy to use, I would look on Node.js for backend that will only code in JavaScript. Plus, it's what the cool kids use nowadays. All right. Node.js. Can you really do like the same thing, the backend stuff using that, or is it limited? It isn't much that gain popularity. Okay. You forgot period in line 2059 for your class. Ah. Right. What node is C sharp? Node.js, because for the backend stuff. C sharp, I don't know, man. That just sounds complicated. Hey, what's up, Winwood? Looking good, man. We're going good. Getting a ton of help from the chat. All right. Come on. Oh, come on, man. It's too fast. Come on. I don't know if the click is working or not. Oh, you know what? I haven't actually updated it. Score. Still 0. Great. Pretty sure I clicked that one. Oh, fuck. Still 0. What the hell? Ruby's kind of dead for backend. Python is more data analytics, but still isn't the best. PHP is an option, but it's on the way out. Node is the best to get into. Okay. Deno.js. Rust. I've never even heard of Rust. Technically, as long as the language is Turing complete. But for practicality, as Mama said, also support and things already built into Node. So, okay. Cool. Node it is then. Dude. I'm just like clicking here like a madman when it shows up. Wait, it didn't console log the score. It means it doesn't count. Okay, something's not right here. Mol CTR, which should be everything in the game container. 1. I don't even know why it's called it that. We'll just call it. Nah, whatever. We'll leave it as the game container 1 mol image. Dot game container 1 dot mol image. If e dot target dot batches. You mean there? Console log. Okay. Oh, right, right, right. I mean, it is. No, I've got console log score right here. That's inside. You mean before the score plus plus? More. Yes. I meant to type Mo. Yes, it looks like Mo lies. It's been around for a long. It's been around for as long as Node. It's not big enough for anyone. Requires manual memory management. Like, okay, but I guarantee it's where everything is going. Interesting. Hey, look at that. Mo lies. So Mo lies is taking it. Oh no 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 no! Look at that! Look at that! There's a bug. There's a bug in my implementation. Bo, might not be as smart, man. What we did, crap. Look at that. I'm clicking on this space here, and it's doing all this. The reason for that is my HTML. So I couldn't figure out how to make the thing just pop up and down from here. Um, so my solution was to add a, a background like that. So behind this, we've got we've got the image. Oh man, where is it? Right here. See, there you go. It's like that's where the thing is hidden. So what it's doing now is when we run the game, so I can click here and you see how Mo eyes is just going up and down. All right, well, crap. I don't think there's any way for me to limit. So you can't click here, kind of thing. I may have to think of a different animation somehow. It just shrinks and then expands and shrinks, or something. Just, yeah, right now that's what it does. I believe you, Marble. I've seen all the job listing from the fan crowd. What is Rust? Why is it so popular? Or why is everyone moving down that route? Rust, a language empowering everyone to be reliable and efficient. Blazingly fast and memory efficient with no runtime or garbage controller. Is it harder to learn? How similar is it to JavaScript? FN main print line. Ah, function main print line hello world. I can read that. With manual memory management, it's much harder to learn. It's not easy at all. Okay. But you said this is where everything's headed? Okay. Alright. Not for me just yet then. It's quite new then, 2018. Okay. Alright, so we have a major flaw in that game. Okay, I'm gonna worry about the flaw later. I just wanna make sure this counter thing well, at least in the because we haven't actually assigned the score to this yet. Score is still 0. Great. So we are not getting a plus plus. So it's doing the mole eyes, right? It's not doing the console log score though, I don't think. Yeah, we've got the mole eyes, and then okay. If e dot target dot matches. Have I spelled something wrong? If e dot target dot matches. Alert. Do I have to do like return or something? I shouldn't have to, right? So long as you learn when you're already familiar with programming concepts, I feel like it would be overwhelming trying to pick up. Yeah, for sure. To be honest, you're about 30 days for you staying with the language until you have more problems on those, such as. Okay. Yeah, I think we're on 32 days. Day 32 31. Yeah, I'm definitely not going to do it now, for sure. Do two things. Make your mouse default to the opposition, and then right click and inspect on one of them. Default to the opposition. So basically get rid of that. There, how's that? Guaranteed Rust, where most things are headed. AV1 codec, Firefox. You, I've got things overlapping. Okay, that's not good. There's some other div over top of it, which is capturing the click. Okay. You're using this div, so maybe I can just get rid of that and just use the section. Game. Oh, wait. Was that class or was that ID? That was an ID. Can I do... Right, something like that. Game, unclick. Oh, no, 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 no. Hey, look at that, you're right. So, still something blocking it. So is Rust trying to be the new C++? Right, something was over the top. Well, Me removing the thing completely destroyed it. I think it destroyed it because what do I have for? I'm using a grid. Oh, because I needed the grid container one class. Okay. So if I add that, it should be back to normal. All right. Why are we not moving? Why are we not moving? What did I break? Oh, the thing is broken now, right? The animation maybe. No. Oh, it's an ID. So this game. There we go. Still zero? What the? What? Oh. It might be. So I was doing something weird with the Z index and stuff. Right here. My whole image has a negative index one because I needed it to be behind the background thing I've got. That's probably why. Oh, I see what is in this minus one right here. Yeah, I just got that too. Crap. Okay, that sucks. Because if I remove the background picture, right? I mean, it's only at the bottom here, so I've only used C++ with the Arduino, but even then I found out. Okay, I have to remove the Z in this. Oh man. Okay. Yeah, that's not gonna work then. I have to think of a different. I need to think of a different animation then. The reason I've got a Z in this is because I'll show you what happens when I remove that. This is the problem I was trying to solve. Ready? Oh, I'm saving the wrong thing. Boom. Wait, what? Yeah, that's the problem. You see how it comes in the front? Okay, I mean that does work. You're right. That does fix it. Um. Okay. But I mean the game's not gonna work. I don't think. Things gonna show in the yeah. It's gonna show up in the front. Why is the class in the green div I had? So it's actually a picture, uh, background image. Let's see, this one is called dot image, which is right next to the images right here. Give that position relative as the index of one. Okay. Position. Boom. Okay, that works. Wait, why does that work? So the background has got. Well, actually, it doesn't anymore. So we removed the -1 index from the moles. Set the position to relative and z index to 1. Because rather than telling mole to be -1, which you think on you're telling the green area to be 1, which means on top of the mole. Ah, wait. So instead of this thing going behind it, this says where it is, but this back just comes in the. Okay. I mean, it's weird. Technically, it does. Well, at least from the visual part, it does the same thing. But I'm guessing that thing has. Yeah, it does. It does because I think I used some kind of margin to push it down. Yeah, I think this thing here, right? I mean, I don't know. Okay. Anywho, kind of go off topic. Stick with Node for now, if for no reason, but tools. Okay. Also, should be noted that while Node and JS will work fine on smaller size, others will actually use runtimes in this stack. Nice. That's a lot of stuff, man. Oh, they use Node.js. Go JavaScript, Node, React, Sass, Redis. These guys are like on JS, so Express, Backbone, Mon. I mean, that's the database. JS, React, which I think is just the front end framework stuff. jQuery and React. What are they doing? Wait, where did you see jQuery here? I don't know, probably legacy code or something. It's weird. Probably legacy, right? Wait, who's the thread thing? Room buddy. Nope, never heard of him. See Uber. 59 different tools. Oh, okay. Check it out later. Okay. I think we solved the problem, right? So now it does what. Oh, the only thing we need to do is need to turn this into something in our HTML. I think. Um, all right. So go score plus plus, and then what even is that? I can't remember what I called it. It is counter. So document dot get ID. Okay, now I forget how you do it. Um, oh, Marble, yeah. That has been the most helpful thing, man. To just to figure out where everything is. It makes it so much easier to know what I'm doing. Because like before that, I would add a padding and it would move, and I didn't know what it was doing. But now I can see exactly what each of them is doing. Yeah, that was a huge tip for sure. Okay, man. Everything I've learned is from the chat. Like I would say, like 80% of the actual you know, there's things when you like there's one thing learning off books and courses, but there's that thing after you have experience you learn. I don't know what's called. It's called tacit knowledge, and you guys have that. And you guys share that with me, and I'm kind of learning from you, which is really cool. But yeah, really cool. Circus pay money for a future stream. Is it just outline one episode of something? What did I do? I don't know. I just copied what he said, and what did I do? Box sizing a border box, border 1px solid black with the star sign. Box sizing border box all things. Yeah. Wait. How do you do? I forget, man. I forget JavaScript in HTML add text or something. I just looked at that. Oh, element of the inner two goes HTML string. Okay. So school counter dot in HTML equals score. Unquote error. Get element by ID is not a function. What did I misspell? Okay. Hey, look at that. We have a functional game. All right. Oh, actually, we need to move the thing back down. What was it? 170. 120, was it? Oh, actually, sorry. There. Just needed to disable it. Okay. Let's remove the. You should use outline, not border. Border will shift to display, whereas outline won't. How do I do that? Outline. Outline style dotted, maybe. Just change the just change the word border to outline. Okay, yeah. Wait, what's the difference? Outline. Okay, slight difference where it moved up and down. All right. Okay, let's bring this out for now. All right, here's a game. Oh no! Come on, man. Wait, is this because the screen's too big? Okay, I need to think about the sizing for big monitors. I think normal monitors should be fine. Inspect. So it's 1280 by 15. I mean, this would be like regular size monitors, right? Somewhere around here, 1920 by something. Duh is the background image, right? Oh, yes, yes, it is. It's the image I'm using to hide my guy, right here. Oh no, duh is not a background image. No, it's it's an image that's here, dot image. You can check different via DevTools through here. Oh, come on, man. Two. Okay, on each thing, I also need that to go back down to 0. And I think we're done. Um, oh, that's gonna break it. The pop. Perfect. That works. Uh, top left where it says iPhone X. It's only giving me mobile stuff though. How do I change this to desktop? Laptop. Okay. All right, guys. I think we're done. There's still changes need to make. Like, I don't like how fast this shows up. Need to make it mobile responsive, but for the most part, I think it looks alright. What do you think? Wait, this one's not in the middle. It's because of the, of the screen size. I mean, okay, start a thing. We can click on it. The counter goes up. Um, whoa. Right, when you click on start, it refreshes, starts again. No, it's not. Look at that. It just sets to zero, but it, it doesn't actually clear the actual score. Not bad, not bad. Good job. Close go the beginning of the start button. Right. Is that on the start button? I'll click. Oh, here. Start button down, add event. Click. Pop out is the right place. But why didn't it work? So I said it at the beginning. I thought like before the pop up starts, it's gonna reset. But you just went auto settings, go to zero, user setting. Ah, right. Okay. Gotcha. Okay. So now the game starts. Whoa, I can't click now. One. Dude, I can't click. It's too fast. It's too fast for my sleep deprived eyes. Oh man, I actually got zero. I need both. Oh yeah, I need to set the and the score. Right, right, right. Okay. I can't click. There you go. I'm gonna cheat. Just spam the click button. We should probably have some code to stop the spammers. And then star, reset to zero. Oh, okay, that works. Uh, Lots of bugs in the system. Right here, the thing is broken. You can see here. Obviously, the counters can be there's workarounds to go around it. Need to fix that. But in terms of actually learning the JavaScript stuff, I think it's pretty solid. If the number of clicks are 20. Uh, Stop spamming. Scammer or spammer? Okay. Cool. This was fun. I need to. Oh, do you know what we can do? We can practice questions to GitHub. All right. Let's see. So we should already have. All right. Here's my terminal. Um. What? Oh. Documents. There you go. Which one is the city? Whack. Mo. Right. Okay. Right. Let's see. I know there's only like four things I needed to do. So the git status is one. Not a good repository or any part of the what? Git clone, git add. Do I need to clone it again? I cloned it last time. And I forget how you do it. Because I'm pretty sure we already cloned it, right? Last time. Hold on, so really, the only thing I should be doing right now is clone button, add and push. Let's clone again. Okay. Git add. Oh. Okay. Git add. Am I doing something wrong here? I mean, I cloned the thing, right? It was something git add. This one. Add. Well, that was something I tried. What? Cheat sheet. Git status, git log, git add. Yeah, git add dot. Why won't that work? It says not a git repository or any part of the parent directories. Why not? Git. Should I clone again? Oh man. Already exists is not a thing. Okay. Oh no, look at that. I put whack-a-mole. No, 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 no. Okay, I messed up. I messed whack-a-mole. I created. What the? Okay, I think the problem is I cloned this one. All right, let's move everything. Let's move everything in there, and then we'll go cd. Gonna go into whack-a-mole within whack-a-mole. No such file. What? All right, there you go. But dash dash all only has the modified files. Okay, so I do add dot Command not found. Oh, did that do it? Hey, look at that. And then what do I do after add? Push. Yeah, git push. Git push main or something. Git push origin. Everything's up to date. What do you mean? It doesn't appear to be GitHub repository. Okay, so staged git push. Everything is up to date. Oh, I needed to git commit -m first. Okay. Git status on your branch is ahead of by one commit. Sure, nothing to commit. Git push to publish a local commit. All right, git push. I think that's it. And then git log. Nothing to commit. I think that may have done it. Refresh. There we go. Everything's there now. Cool. Cool. I need to practice every single time to get more used to it. Quick starter guide for Git. Awesome. Git commit -m message goes here. All right. Git the simple guide. Working directory index commit head. This is the first step to actually commit this. Okay, yeah, I was missing that. Now the file is committed to the head, but not in your remote repository yet. Working directory add index commit to the head. Pushing changes. Okay. Branch. All right, sick. I'm gonna add this to the to our list of cool and useful tools. Awesome. So this should now be good. Let's quickly add it to GitHub page. Read me. No. Hey, look at that. We're live on the internet. Oh, no. Dude, it's not counting. It's broken. Do you guys want to play? It's broken. Oh, man. Okay, it does work. Just wasn't able to click. I need a mouse, not a trackpad. That works. Cool. Awesome. We have a game. This is our third project we've done. So we can mark that one as done. Right, what are we working on? Project Whack-A-Mole. Let's put that in there. Let's also put I would add a game over thing that shows you after 10 seconds. Okay, yeah. Um, yeah, there's a couple of things we need to add. So I don't know if it's worth the time adding those, or I'm just moving on to a different project because those are like the remaining 20%, which can take 80% of the time. You could even add a house prompt for a name. Okay, let's do both for that. You got 117. You cheated, man. I need the spammer thing on there. um, Local storage meaning just on my computer, right? So I can just pretend multiple to be multiple people. Uh, Add a game over the cheese JavaScript. uh, Game over message after the 10 seconds. High school log. Local storage. All right, cool. Any other? Yeah, need to limit the scores. Also need to limit JSON from well from being able to use the console. I don't know. There must be a way to limit it just to mouse clicks, right? Anything else? I mean, the responsive thing also I could probably look at. Responsiveness to larger screens. You can't stop me. We'll see tomorrow, man. We'll see. Um, but now overall, this looks pretty cool. Okay. All right, we'll leave it in progress. So what's? Yeah, I think we'll come back tomorrow, finish that off, or I might just do it late in the morning. Try and code a little bit. Locus origin reference. Amazing. Thank you. MCP coming in the clutch today, man. Okay. Honestly, I say this every stream, but like, if I wasn't streaming, I don't think I would make this much progress this fast. Because like I've got like it's not just me; it's like 10 different brains here telling me stuff and teaching me things. It's insane. I never thought that this kind of I would get this kind of thing on the stream. I was just like, yeah, let me just do it, see what happens, and it's just unbelievable. Like you know what I mean? Like links to things, resources you guys use, little tips and tricks. Like this alone, delete it. What this alone is gonna save so much time. I mean, I probably eventually would have figured that out, but that would have wasted like hours of my life. Um, but yeah, delete it because I moved it. Like, come on, that's what we need. That's what we need. Get in here. All right. So, any other feature requests? Oh, oh man, it was on the other one. Did I delete? Still here. Oh, I almost closed it. That was deleted file as well. Okay. The fact that I didn't delete is a sign, man. We gotta build this now. Okay. Feature. Why did you do that? What's this? Why is it showing me this green line? Don't know. Okay. Local storage. Okay. It means there are new lines in Git. Ah. Wait, what? What? What is that? New feature adds one of one change. Oh wait, it's gone now. So I click the plus button. So it's to track like changes and stuff. So if I wrote, yeah, it is. Look at that. It's kind of distracting though, because I know what changes I'm making. All right. Cool, man. I was gonna just jump on for a quick hour stream. It's already been 2.5 hours. I need to, I need to go get some sleep. So again, appreciate everyone hanging out. Thanks for hanging around, making this fun, for the tips, tricks, the code, for everything, man. I will, yeah. Cheers. Enjoy the rest of your day, night, afternoon, wherever you guys are located, and I'll be back tomorrow for sure. So catch you later. Bye bye. Should we raid someone? Who do you watch right now? Let's go. Just do a quick raid. Actually, someone just left. We're a raid with a six man party. Who's now? Hey, Nick's on. Let's raid Nick. Nick's cool. I'm down at MCP. Score duty.
Exterminate. Let's go, spy plane.
Apparently there's a Dalek out here.
Wait, what?
Oh, the spy plane in that.
That's it, that's
Oh,
it.
there's one came around the back.
Techno Tim. The Prime. Yeah, this guy looks cool. Let's go to him. Primogen. Two, three. This guy looks like he knows what he's doing. All right, guys. Again, I'm off. Catch you later.
It still isn't even there to take it down. C in Rust, C in TypeScript, it probably is going to have to be. That's just the way it is. So what are we going to do?